Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the phone and watch ready. Update both devices and sign into the same Apple ID so syncing can work. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap My Watch to start linking apps. Once done, grant required permissions like notifications and location when prompted. These allow the Watch app to mirror features. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on and keep both devices close. This starts the pairing and prepares the system to install the app onto your Apple Watch. You now focus on installing and configuring the app itself. In the Watch app, scroll to available apps and tap Install, or enable automatic installs so future apps appear on your watch. Once installed, open the app settings under My Watch to set permissions, refresh intervals, and notification styles. This ensures the watch receives timely data. If the app supports complications, add them to your watch face via Edit Complications so you get glanceable info. Finally, relaunch the app on both devices. You're at the finish line. Verify the app launches on the watch and that live data appears. Test notifications and any interactive features. If something still fails, restart both devices first, because that clears temporary pairing glitches. If that doesn't help, remove the app from the watch and reinstall from the iPhone Watch app, making sure background app refresh and battery settings allow updates. One key troubleshooting tip: restarting both devices resolves most sync problems. Do that before deeper resets or unpairing to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.